Hey, you should be cheering because it's only $7. Luther Landro, and I gather his partner, is it Jimmy Riley? Jimmy Riley, and with Luther Landro. So, they've got huge numbers. Last 30 days, $129,000. I want you to ignore that completely because you're going to buying a $7 product. So if it makes you $7, you broke even. If it makes you $15, you're doubled your money. So don't be thinking $130,000 a month or whatever they're showing you in their things. But here is the exact software, the exact prompts that he uses to create digital products using artificial intelligence. And he says this is not a course or a coaching program. This is done for you. The exact AI prompts he uses to run his 7-figure digital product business. And from researching product ideas to generating sales, everything's automated with AI in 3 simple, repeatable steps. So I want you to keep in mind this is a $7 product. So first is create. And so he says they do way more than just spit out generic products. They scan social media trends and competitor reviews to uncover hidden demand gaps, pockets of buyers with unmet desires and problems, just waiting for someone to solve them, and then generate a complete product built around that demand gap so you step into a pool of ready buyers from day one. Build a list. That's probably one of the quick and easy ones. So people looking to build a list. Oh, yeah, what could you build? Well, here's prompts that can generate a wide range of products. Ebooks, checklists, workbooks, planners, spreadsheets, cheat sheets, Kindle books. You get the idea. There's more. Action plans, custom GPTs, and more. So it's going to generate the product. Step 2 is attract. Because if you got the product, there's a million guys with products. So included are the social attraction prompts, the exact prompts used to generate millions of views from social media. You will not generate millions of views. But if you could get 100 people to look at your offer, you might make some sales. If you could get 1,000 people to look at your offer, you'd be pretty darn sure to make 5, 10, 15, 20 sales. Who knows? Yeah, they show great numbers there. 13,000 people asking for the lead magnet, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so maybe you'll be very happy to do 1% of what they're doing. So I keep saying they've been doing this for 15 years. They're amongst the, not just the top 1%, the top, top 20, top 30 in the world. So whatever they do is something they've got their own whole system. But they're selling, again, it's a $7 product. So they're showing you how to generate AI generated reels, everything they do to make bio links and clicks and sales. Step 3 is converting social media viewers into buyers, and they generate sales letters and video sales letters to pull massive sales from the views, and that's the whole 9 yards. So this I'm going to skip over this to generate over $3 million in sales. You're not going to generate $3 million in sales. You're spending $7 for it, but it's going to create a product for you. It's going to create product. It's an ongoing thing, and it's $7. So it is very straightforward and to the point. Check it out. I'm going to invite you to click the link in the podcast description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com, digital product profit prompts from Luther Landro. So Luther Landro is the partner of Jimmy Riley. They're together in this. Digital products, prompts that create digital products. There you go. And then you're going to be able to get traffic and sales. The fact they put it all together into one thing is pretty amazing. And it's, again, $7. So when you get to that, you can either click at my site, you can either click the fancy product box or scroll down and click the link at the bottom. Boom, you're at the page and you can buy it for $7. So go check it out. Luther Landro, you can trust him. He's done a ton of these. He does a lot more that are what I call offline, where they go out to people, not necessarily on the internet, but they go out to businesses. I'm going to say picture servicing plumbers or carpenters or electricians or doctors and putting together packages that make each one of these ones kind of so they can get traffic from online. And that's kind of what they do. If you search for Luther Landro at my site, you'll find a ton of those kind of products. This gives you the products yourself. It's a different kind of a thing because looking for a smaller kind of a product, but it's $7. So go check it out. Click the link, and you're going to love Luther Landro. You're going to love, I love everything he does. You're going to be blown away by what you can get for $7. So click the link and go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.